In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through editor.doublewix.com alongside QRcode.io for an integrated and seamless website editing and QR code generation experience. Let's get started. First, let's head over to the Wix website editor. It's a robust platform that allows you to create stunning websites, and today we'll navigate through some specific features. Once you're inside your Wix editor, you'll notice a highlight option. Give that a click. It's designed to spotlight certain elements you might want to modify or emphasize on your website. Now, let's type in the text for the highlight. This can be anything you'd like to draw attention to, such as a special promotion or news update. After you've got your text set, we move on to the next step. Click on the Orance menus that's under the New section. This feature allows you to manage or view newly integrated menus with ease. Following that, you'll see an option labeled Installed. Go ahead and click it. This shows any apps or features that you've previously incorporated into your Wix website. And it brings us to the next feature, the Open button. Click on it to reveal more options and insight into your installed features. With everything opened up, it's time to save your progress. This step is crucial because you wouldn't want to lose any of the modifications you've just made. Click on Save. It's always good to save your work periodically to ensure everything is up to date. In fact, let's click Save once more to double-check that everything's locked in. With our site editing tasks wrapped up, click on the Done button to conclude this section. Next, let's take a look at our newly edited site. Click on View Site. This action allows you to see how your changes will appear to visitors, a vital step in ensuring everything looks polished and professional. Now, let's shift gears and navigate to QRcode.io for generating QR codes. Begin by searching for a QR code generator using your search engine, and look for a reliable one, like QR Code Monkey. Once you've located it, click on the link to open the generator. QR Code Monkey is great because it's free and allows you to create customized QR codes. Next, let's get started on your QR code. You'll want to click the option that says Create QR Code. Input the URL or data you want the code to point to, then click the Create QR Code button again. This action generates your customized code. Navigate through these steps carefully, as ensuring the accuracy and functionality of your QR code is key. Finally, ensure everything is styled and highlights the needed features by clicking the Highlight option one more time. This methodical step-by-step guide empowers you to manage your site efficiently and creates dynamic QR codes that can engage your audience across multiple platforms.